Hello everyone, welcome back to Talkora English. I'm John.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. We're so happy you're learning English with us.
In our last lesson, we talked about your first day at work. Don't worry.
Don't worry, we'll speak slowly. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and enjoy learning English.
Today, you'll learn how to meet your boss for the first time. Emma, were you nervous when you met your boss?
Oh yes, very nervous, very nervous. I didn't know what to say.
Me too. I wanted to make a good first impression.
That's normal. Many people feel nervous when they meet their boss.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Again?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Now repeat. I'm happy to be here. Good morning. You must be Emma. Welcome to our company. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Yes, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. A little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous on the first day. You'll do great.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Vocabulary break. Today's word is professional.
What does it mean?
It means working carefully. She is very professional. Professional. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Emma. I recently finished college. I'm excited to join your team.
Wonderful. What are your strengths?
I'm hardworking, I'm friendly, and I enjoy learning new things.
That's great. Learning is very important.
I'm excited to join your team. I'm excited to join your team.
Excellent. I enjoy learning new things. Very good. Let's learn some office vocabulary.
Boss, manager,
Employee, team.
office, meeting. Great job. See you next time.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. What time does work start?
We begin at 9 o'clock every morning,
Thank you. And what time do we finish?
usually at 6. Instead of saying, I don't understand, try saying, could you explain that again, please? Repeat.
Could you explain that again, please?
Today you'll work with John. He'll help you learn everything.
Hi, John. Welcome. I'm happy to help. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to working with you.
You're welcome. Let's start our tour. Imagine you are meeting your new boss today.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
Why are you excited about this job? Excellent.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now it is time for your homework.
What questions would you ask on your first day?
Write your answers in the comments. Practice speaking them aloud. Fantastic work today.
Now you know how to meet your boss.
Speak slowly, don't worry about mistakes. Practice every day.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching.